How to use Perplexity AI with WhatsApp. You can use Perplexity AI on WhatsApp either by messaging the official chatbot or by linking your existing Perplexity account for personalized experiences. So, one of the simplest way to use Perplexity on WhatsApp is by adding them or saving the number. So, all you need is open up WhatsApp, tap onto the plus button, and here what you could do is actually go to the chat page and click on the add button. Now here you want to click on new contact. You could type in Perplexity or you could just type in AI and add in the number. So the phone number is plus, give it a bracket, 833, then close the bracket, then type in 436, give it a dash, and type in 423 3285. Sorry. So actually this is in the last field, so you want to select that, copy it out and erase it. Here it is. So you just want to go ahead and type in +1. So here it is. You want to click that out and click on save. So once you've done this, you could start, or you could just go ahead and open that up. You would just need to go ahead and look for. So here it is, Perplexity AI. Now you could go ahead and use this board, generate image and all that stuff. And this way you could go ahead and use it easily. And next, you will also link your Perplexity account. You just want to send the link command. So in your WhatsApp chat with Perplexity, you just want to type in /link and send it. And once you do this, you will just want to click the link in the bot's reply. So actually, it's not in the WhatsApp, but you need to do it in the Perplexity. So open up Perplexity and then you want to tap or type in / and link. You want to do this and give it a mix. Once you've done it, you will be able to receive the link. Just click the link in the bot's reply. And this will open your mobile browser to the Perplexity login page. Log into your account and tap on the connect button. And that's how you'll be able to use Perplexity AI with WhatsApp. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.